Hi everyone, so we're going to do a new guitar day. This is my Ibanez K7. I've kind of already explained before when I did an unboxing of this guitar, but I kind of wanted one of these guitars for, well, it's been 17 years now. I originally saw it when I was 15, I'm 31 now, and it was in a Total Guitar magazine. Monkey was playing it, and as soon as I saw it, it's like, I need it. I didn't even really know much about 7 strings at the time. I just thought it looked really cool, and I loved Corn as well, and I still do. Ended up actually getting this guitar back when I was 28 and stupidly selling it because someone was selling it. Made in Japan, Randy Rhoads 24. That was for Black and Red Devils, single, Floyd and EMG, and being a massive fan of Pat O'Brien of Cannibal Corpse, I wanted that kind of look. So I was devastated that I got rid of this. So we're going to do a clean rhythm and lead tone test. I'm going to do 2 different rhythm tones. One being my own personal kind of like 80s inspired hair metal one, that actually works really well on this instrument, because even though it's kind of laden with chorus, it kind of works really well with this guitar. And then we're going to go for like a slightly more modern aggressive tone. For my cleans, I'm going to be using both pickups in a parallel. I think it just sounds really good. The DiMarzio PAFs and this are quite low output, but they sound huge, and you'll notice that when you've got lower output pickups, but you can crank the gain on your amp a little bit more, and it comes alive more, and there's a lot of like note separation and clarity, as opposed to having really high output pickups with a load of gain on top. It can sometimes lose a bit of that. Well, let's see how it sounds. Let's try rhythm. So that was my own personal tone that I've created with this. The next tone is still a rhythm tone, but it's a more modern metal kind of tone. This is one I downloaded from the Line 6 website and tweaked it a little bit myself. And it's the Meshuggah Chaosphere tone patch. And you'll be able to tell it's Meshuggah inspired straight up. Okay, and now let's try a lead tone. So yeah, that's just a quick run through what this guitar can do. Obviously, there's plenty more you can do with it. In this guitar, for example, it did come with a Whammy Bar, and it's also got the U bar, which is, you only get it on the Korn signature guitars. Personally, the U bar for me is a bit of a gimmick. I don't see any use of it personally. I've seen some old videos of Monkey and Head where they kind of hit their hand on the back of the trem to kind of cause it to flutter backwards, so it's raising the pitch of it. But I think you can honestly just do that with a Whammy Bar instead. But it's nice to have. At least I got to try it. So yeah, leave any comments in the comment box below. If you're happy with what you saw here, subscribe to my channel. I will eventually be trying to do direct recording and get more into that as time goes by. It's obviously just time constraints at the moment. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you.